Hey, what's up, guys? I got these wall sconces for my wife's window seating area. I'm really happy with them. They're super easy to install. They look really nice. I'm just going to show you real quick how they work. So you can see on the back here of this mounting box, they just have this hole where there's a slit, and that's basically all you use to set on the mounting bracket that it comes with. If you look on the wall over here, this is the bracket itself that I use. So just easily measure your wall, figure out where you want the brackets. Comes with screws, screw them in, and then you just take your light and set it in place there. So you can take it down, charge it, put it back. I think what we'll do probably instead of taking it down is bring like a charging bank for it. But either way, it works really nice. I love how bright they are. I mean, it just creates like a really nice kind of ambiance for her to sit there and read books or whatever she wants to do. So again, just wanted to give you a look at it and show you. So that's what it's like on. There's off. It does come with two remotes, but one remote will control both of them. So if you want to split them up and not have them in the same area, you can do that and separate it and have a remote for each. But they also have a dimming feature. So